Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will talk about Module 7, which is Program Design and Computer Languages. Also, I will be talking how I can apply to my career in DevOps. I chose this module because I am starting to move into the DevOps area, and I believe it is very important for my professional development. This module is useful because DevOps is not only about using tools, servers, or cloud platforms. It also requires logical thinking, problem solving, and automation. Program design helps us understand that before writing code, we must first understand the problem. We need to think in an organized and logical way. Computer languages are also very important because they allow us to give instructions machines and build useful solutions. So this module gives me a strong base for the kind of work I want to do in my career. So how I can apply it to my career. First, program design teaches me to analyze a problem before trying to solve it. And this is very important because in DevOps, we often work with processes, with systems, and also with tasks that I need to have them improved. Second, programming languages help me to automate repetitive work. For example, I can use scripts to install software. I can also configure services, deploy applications, or manage cloud resources. This is very important in DevOps because automation saves time and also reduces human error. Another key point is debugging. Debugging means finding and fixing errors. In DevOps, this is very useful because sometimes a script fails, a deployment can have a problem, or a service stops working correctly. So, in those situations, I need to identify the cause and solve it quickly. So, this topic helps me become more prepared for real technical situations. Now, why this topic is important for my future? It improves my logic, also my understanding of systems, and my ability to work with automation tools. These are all important skills in DevOps. Also, if I understand program design and computer languages, it will be easier for me to continue learning other technologies related to this field, such as cloud services, pipelines, and infrastructure as code. In other words, this module is not only useful for school, it is something that I can apply in real life and in my professional growth. For those reasons, I believe Module 7 is very relevant to my new path in DevOps. Thank you very much for listening.